According to a 2009 national survey by CareerBuilders.com of more than 4,400 workers, a whopping 61% admit to living paycheck to paycheck just to make ends meet. That's up from 49% in 2008 and 43% from 2007. So today, some answers to help close the gap between your income and your bills, all from the comfort of your own home. How big of a trend is this? You seeing a lot of people turning to the internet?
It's a big trend. The lead says the entire story. I think people want a little bit more control over their financial destiny, and they're reading the cards that they have correctly when they turn online, because that is in fact where the jobs are.
Pay very close attention to every single word of this special video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to finally make money online using a little-known secret that's made me over $1 million this year. And today, I'm going to reveal this secret to you for free. All you have to do is keep watching this video and follow a few simple instructions. My name is Michael B. You probably haven't heard of me. I'm not famous. I'm not a paid celebrity or some trendy marketing guru trying to sell you his book or tickets to a seminar. This is just a personal video for you and for the other lucky people who have been invited to this page. I'm simply a regular guy who happened to stumble upon a unique way of making a ton of money from home using just a home computer and an internet connection. In just a minute, I'm going to give you the full details of my secret method for making fast profits online, so you can start making money tonight. And no, this isn't too good to be true or some kind of joke. This is 100% real. I'm giving away this secret information for free for a very good reason, which I'll explain in just a minute. First, I'd like to show you a few of my most recent accounts so you can see the kind of money I'm talking about. These accounts are 100% real and unedited. Only my personal information has been removed. Okay, I'm going to show you a few numbers right now to give you an idea of how much I'm making. Okay, as you can see here, I'm showing you proof of how much I'm making in my personal accounts. Again, I've just taken out the personal information, but all the numbers here haven't been touched or altered, as you can see. At this point in my life, seeing numbers like this is completely normal. I don't have to worry about not having enough money or having to work into my 70s. You can see all of this money is coming into several different six-figure accounts. Six-figure accounts like these are completely common for me. With this kind of money coming in, and it's coming in every single day, it feels like I'm retired. You can imagine what kind of life you'd have if you had numbers like these in your bank accounts. Well, that's just what I'm completely used to. And a life like this comes with perks. This is a picture of the car I was given for free as a gift simply because I helped that person make hundreds of thousands of dollars online. It's a beautiful Bentley Continental GT. Now, how did I make so much money to the point where people are giving me luxury cars just to learn my secret? I'll show you in just a minute. First, I need to tell you something very important. All of the money I've made has been without a job, without the stock market, without buying real estate, without making investments. It's all come from the power of the internet, using just a simple home computer. Look, I don't like bragging about the money I make, but I need to show you proof that I know what I'm talking about when it comes to making large amounts of money on the internet. By now, I can do this in my sleep. And it's sad because it seems so many people can't figure it out. So many people are trying desperately to make money online, but they just can't make any money. They're stuck. And to make things worse, there are so many scams and misleading websites out there about making money online. So, how do you beat the odds and break out of the cycle? How can you be sure you found a real way of making money online? Rule number 1, you need proof that it works. The website must have cold, hard proof that its system works. It needs to show you with real proof of all the money it's making. That's why I showed you my own personal earnings. And I'll show you even more details about how this works after you sign up for your free account. Rule number 2, make sure you're not breaking the law. Believe it or not, lots of websites actually encourage you to spam or break the law in other ways to make money. I only use 100% legal and ethical systems to make money. Because you don't just want to be legal, you also want to be ethical and do the right thing. That's why my method is all about helping other people. You're going to get paid for contributing to an important movement that is revolutionizing the internet and helping our planet at the same time. And I'll show you how to do this and make money automatically 24/7 without any hard work. You're going to absolutely love this. Rule number 3, never pay for information. The website must never sell you its secrets. All of its secrets must be free. Scammers try to get you to pay for their secret system, but you should only invest money in real things that bring real results. I would never just sell my online income secrets for a price. You simply can't put a price on something like that. That's why, to let you in on my secret, I've opened up a few free spots to my training. So today you can get in 100% for free. Now, if a website doesn't follow all 3 of these rules, it doesn't have proof, it's not legal and ethical by helping a good cause, or it's not free, it's most likely a fake website or a scam that won't make you any money. But you don't have to worry about the scams or misleading websites any longer, because finally you've found something that works. You've already seen for yourself. I make more than 99.9% of people in the entire world just from the internet. I even took the time out of my busy schedule to create this site and help you. Isn't it time you started earning money online too, with a real system that actually works? Now, you might have guessed by now, I'm not doing this as a charity. Here's why you're getting my most valuable money-making secrets for free. I want you to profit with me. We're going to make money together. Why is it so much better when we profit together? When we profit together, we make more money than if we were trying to do it separately. You and I both win with this system. It's how the Profit with Michael system is designed. Here's how I'm going to help you. I'm going to give you my entire blueprint for online income for free. I'm going to tell you exactly what to do step by step. I'm going to take you from absolutely nothing to having your very own online campaign, earning real money directly deposited into your account. Remember, I'm not selling anything. I don't want you to pay me. I want to make money with you. With every sale we make together, you're going to keep the lion's share. I will only get a small bonus commission on the side. It's a nice little extra income for me. But you're the person who's going to benefit most because we're making money together. I'm 100% invested in your success. I'm going to do everything I can to make sure you're making money. Period. So, are you ready to profit with me and start seeing real results? Are you ready to finally have your own account full of money you've made online? Here's what's going to happen next. Step 1. Create your free account right now. This account will give you lifetime access to every detail of my money-making system for free. Just fill out your name, email, and get started. It's 100% free to join if you create your account right now. Step 2. Follow the simple instructions I'll give you. I'll reveal my most valuable money-making secrets to you, down to every last detail. Just follow every step I give you. If you can point, click, and follow instructions, you can make money online. Step 3. You'll make money directly deposited into your account after completing your simple training. You'll have a system you can use anytime you want to make money. Use it as often or as little as you want. However you decide to use it, it's yours forever. All I ask is that you keep this 100% confidential. Only people specially invited to this video are allowed to know the details of this strategy. You need to hurry. To get in, you need to sign up for an account right now. Free spots are extremely limited. Create a free account right now by filling out your information to the right of this video. There are no hidden fees or gimmicks, just free access for life. I'm excited to see you making money right away. Don't wait until it's too late. Create your account right now. As soon as you create your account, I will tell you exactly how to start making money. I'll walk you through step by step. It's going to be easy. Remember, I'm going to personally help you every step of the way. But you need to sign up right now to be guaranteed a spot. Create your free account right now.